Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable ads or pop-ups in Windows 11. Now go to Start button and right click. Click on Settings, you'll see System there, click on it. Go to Notifications and click on it. Now scroll all the way down, click on Additional Settings. So here I'll recommend that you turn all of this off. The last one I'll definitely turn this off. But before we do that, let's read and see what is here. Show the Windows welcome experience after updates and when signed in to show what's new and suggested. Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Now the last one is get tips and suggestions when using Windows. So depending on what you need, you can go ahead and turn all of this off. So I will just turn this off, all of that. Now go to the left hand side, click on privacy and security. Now when you get here, click on General. Now you see all of these are turned on. So what are they actually? This one here says, let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. So I'm going to turn that off. The next one is, let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. I'll turn that off. Show me suggested content in the settings app. I'll turn this off. Show me notifications in the settings app. I'll turn this off. So depending on what you need, you can go ahead and turn all of this off. Now by doing so, you'll stop all those personalized ads from popping up. So if this video helped you, please drop me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.